something very important aspects of Jiva and Sarira. What is Jiva and Sarira? How the Jiva and Sarira is going to be of much useful. Why Jiva and Sarira is ultimate? For the batch which is completed for what do you call it? That is ultimately end class, and for this another class what it is starting, maybe they are just you are in the same class again, it will get repeated for you. So the Jiva and Sarira is a very beautiful concept. Ultimately in stellar astrology, Jiva Sarira gives, it takes you or gives the correct timing of events. Generally when you look at it, which period where we can get results. When we just look at it, but Jiva and Sarira, the sensitive points. So let us just talk about Jiva and Sarira. When we just talk about Jiva and Sarira, Jiva is a soul. Jiva is absolutely, when you talk about it, is a soul. The concept in all Hindu, this thing it was mentioned. What is saying, how they have mentioned, what they have mentioned in, you can easily look at it. Ramanujaswari, Madhvacharya, Saiva, Vaishnava, Madhva, Tattvas, all the leaders, they spoke about Jiva and Sarira. The Jiva and Sarira, when they speak of Jiva and Sarira, the body, the both are very important. We believe in rebirth. The entire Hindu astrology gives rebirth. The entire Hindu astrology talks of rebirth. That is why Prarabdha karma, Sanchita karma, Agami karma. The three karmas are being discussed in astrology. And also, the three karmas are being discussed. How we can link with this zodiac, how they can link up these things, we can definitely see. The linking of the Prarabdha karma, Sanchita karma, Agami karma, that all depends on this Jiva and Sarira only, soul and body. You know, the great saints who just do a tapas, they go to Himalayas and do tapas for years. If you talk about the ages of a normal man, 120 years, as per the Vimsotri Dasa, what we take about it. But they want to merge what every human being who's an elevated soul. What is that it wants? It wanted, the soul wants to merge with the universal power that's called the God. It may be Lord Vishnu, Lord Maheshwara, Lord Brahma, let be any God. But Lord Krishna ultimately says, you pray to any God, it comes to me. Lord Krishna is ultimate. You pray to anyone, it comes to me only. That much authoritative with the power he told in Bhagavad Gita. So when they see a Parakaya Pravesha or a great saint who does a tapas in Himalayas, when they are doing tapas without eating anything, they do, the body loses the power, but still the soul, it has got still a great energy in that. Then the body losing the power, it is falling, still the tapas what you have done is not sufficient. tapas what you have done is not sufficient. Still the body requires so much of energy to reach God. You have passed only 10% or 15% of the journey to reach the God, to reach the spirit, to reach the universal power. Then that soul searches for a new body. That is why, a brilliantly, a normal 10-year-old boy, 15-year-old boy, normally what happened? He immediately, since yesterday you don't know anything. Now, he starts, once that Atma, the soul of a great saint, enters into the Siddha, enters into his body, because that body, he wants the body to do penance. That is why it is not 60 plus to do a tapas and all this. You advise all your grandchildren, children, to do a meditation or a dhyana at the right age. When you go after that, you cannot sit and there may not be any energy for you. You are not that power to get into a Parakaya Pratisha. So, they get into, that is why when you say talk of Shirdi Sai Baba, suddenly he started reciting Quran, Bhagavad Gita. He was just loitering in Shirdi. But how it is possible? It's a great Siddha entered into that body. What he knows in the previous birth. Similarly, the child don't know anything. It's become very smart and very good, just like that. How all these things possible is the house. The connection of Siddha Purusha, then your body is getting. That's why soul never dies. Atma never dies. That is the Hindu culture. Sanatana Dharma says, unless otherwise you surrender. Soul will be always there. When you go for a Paranyasa, when we totally surrender in front of the God, when we don't want anything, but we surrender to the God, to reach God, that body may not go, soul will go and be there in Vaikuntha. That is why what we say, the soul is very important. The soul needs a body to reach the required desire, attaining the required things what you want. Soul thinks many things, but body has to cooperate. That is why everywhere we talk in Sanatana Dharma, that means in Vedanta Rahasya it says, Atma, moment it dies, the soul it dies, the body goes, decays. The soul goes and stays like a star. And exactly at apt time with your prarabdha karma, where you will have to take birth, in a very happy or downtrodden family, where you will have to take birth, that it decides gets into that with respect to your prarabdha karma. That is why in Jiva and Sarira, the concept I would like to tell you, it's a beautiful concept. I don't know how Gurujis and Siddhas helped me to come out with this. I don't know, when I was doing research, in fact I want to do research on gunas. When I told in my PhD, I said I will do 50% gunas and 50% Jiva Sarira. My guide said, no Raja, you didn't take any one. Don't club both. But both are great. Then I left that gunas and picked up. Then I was sitting contemplating for 3-4 months what to take. Then I was reading a lot of books, and when I see that in the old texts, Sanatana Dharma, Hindu astrology, all when you see, they give a lot of importance to Jiva and Sarira. Even Parasara Maharishi, Varaha Mira, they spoke of Jiva Sarira, but they never gone deep into that. When Jaimini Maharishi spoke about Jiva Sarira, but they have not gone, I am not telling them, but they don't want to give the secret at that time. They left it. Somebody has to come and open it. So that point, what would I like to say in Jiva Sarira, I took it. Then after that, I just worked on that. When I was just working on that, things happened. Then ultimately, the Jiva and Sarira, a beautiful concept has come. Whatever we want, we need the soul, the Atma, and also the body, what we require. The Atma has to enter and take the help of the body. That's why what Swami Vivekananda says, the body is a temple. The body is the temple where the soul is the Garbhaguri. It is staying there. That is a very important point what you have to understand. Body is important, soul is important. This is a temple, or body is a temple. Then in that the soul is getting inside. When the soul is there, then that is why Jiva and Sarira concept is something unique in the world. But somehow, with the blessings of Siddha, it would come out how to use this for prediction. How to make it for prediction. This Guruji in Raghavacharya, he told in one or two charts how to interpret. I took from there the points. Then that Jiva Sharira started coming, and then in that after that I have introduced many rules, the golden rules I have introduced, strongest planet introduced, then after that order of strength I have introduced. So here I like to just touch and start going. If I am not finishing this within this 2 o'clock, if anything left out, next class also half an hour I will speak, otherwise I will try to finish off even before that or exactly to the time. Quick glimpse I would like to give you, because I felt that not given what you call it, not talked where you suppose Montessori school, they definitely would have had enough time to come to the class and discuss. Now let us stop this what I was just telling you. See here, the ancients, when we just talk about our ancients, when we discuss, then they say sun and moon, they are given very, very important point. They are given always what they say, importance for sun and moon. Why I repeatedly spoke on many occasions sun and moon? If any horoscope, what we say, if the sun and moon is good in your horoscope, then majority of the points will become very, very good for you. In your horoscope, if sun and moon is good, if sun and moon is good in your horoscope, then everything will be good. That's why those days what happened, Jiva and Sarira, they made sun and moon, they made it. And in some cases, what they say, Lagna is the Jiva. The Lagna where the sign is posited, the Lagnadipati is the Jiva. Then the moon, Tithis, days, all these Panchabhuta Tattvas. Titivara Nakshatra Yoga Karana or Pancha Angas, they are the controlling Panchabhutas. The Panchabhutas, they are coming controlling as a body. The Panchabhutas are entering into our body, they are controlling. That soul is Lagna. That's why from this only I took it always when I speak. Lagna is very important. Because Lagna is soul. Lagna never dies. The body decays. That is here the point always you should understand. Why I repeatedly, always when we speak something, there should be a reason for it. Why I repeatedly say Lagna is very important, because not me, the many great saints, those who are Pravattakas, what we can talk, 18 Pravattakas, they are given importance to the Lagna. Lagna is the prana, the Lagna is the soul. The Panchatithivara Nakshatra Yogarna, they are mentioned as the body. The Panchabhutas, they are mentioned as body. You don't know why I always repeatedly tell, please focus on Lagna, focus on Lagna, because Lagna never dies. All other bhavas will vanish. Please try to understand in the process of 120 years of your life. In the process of 120 years of your life, you may lose your eyesight, you may lose your speech, you may lose your brother and sister, you may lose your mother, you may lose your children, you may lose your profession, job, you may lose your partner. This is up to 7. Then after enjoying the 7, then 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th is gone. So what he says, the Atma, the soul is witnessing the second house, third house, fourth. That's a beautiful concept I am telling you. when you start analyzing, understanding what is astrology. The soul, the Lagna Pada, the soul which is watching the second house, which is watching the third house, which is watching the fourth house. That is the important point. Always you should understand. Why I repeatedly say Lagna, even Kalamsa Gunas also. Lagna Pada. Lagna Padas, Nakshatradipatis, Kalamsa Lord. Lagna Padas in which star. Lagna Padas, Kalamsa Lord. If it is exalted, that's ultimate. If it is debilitated, no one can save him. Provided supplement. Other houses has to supplement. If Lagna falls, other houses has to supplement. If Lagna is good, everyone will come and fall at you. If a man wins as a prime minister, everyone go to his house. He loses his prime ministership, then everybody blames him. Similar things. Here also, the life, the mundane life. That's why Lagna Pada is very important. Sun and moon, when we talk in the ancient time, they have mentioned Mars and other. There's many Jiva and Sarira, Sun, Mars and other planets denotes 5 senses. 5 senses are controlled by Panchaputas. The Panchaputas, what it talks about, all these things. So now let us talk on the Jiva Sarira aspects. What is Jiva and Sarira? What is Jiva and Sarira? Jiva and Sarira, now we all know Jiva and Sarira, we all know one specific point. J and S, Jiva and Sarira. What is our basic tattva? Basic concept, basic understanding of Meena to Nadi system. I am wondering many people speak, and I am seeing YouTube. They speak of Jiva Sarira. But they are not telling Guruji's name and my name. I am wondering, the same thing they speak, all these 4 rules only. But I don't know why they are shying off. I don't know, I don't want what I am telling. They stop it with that. They cannot explain further. No, Jiva and Sarira. They kindle the interest on somebody and leave it. If you tell them it is available in a book, join in Meena to Nadi class. That is the service. The disservice is that you tell Jiva Sharira and leave it. Kindling the interest of a person and leaving it. That man has to break his head. And smart guy, if you Google it, you will find out. But I am seeing many things. People ask, sir, tell me the secrets of gunas. How it is, why are you bothered about it? A person who is asking that, do you know how to cast horoscope with Uttaradaragana? Can you give prediction? First you concentrate on that. And many times I told in public platforms also, what Guruji has written, reproduced. Use it. Can you challenge Varahamira says son is the Karaka for the father? Son is the Karaka for right hand. Why can't you question how it has come? Are you not following it? Follow. First house is Tanubhava. Who said first house is Tanubhava? Why can't it be a second house? They have written it, Varahamira, Parasara, they have written and given our Vara, our Rishi, our Guruji, is a reincarnation of Satyacharya, written, which is there available in Kadir Madik Arasu, Vidiyavan Mal, Varku Vendum, Tudibuvar Manan, Solladar, Tamadam. Kadir Madik Arasu, they are telling in the Nadi, Rajasa. Vidiyavan Mal, Varku Vendum, Satvigam, Invam, Tudibuvar Manan, Solladar, Tamadam Tani. Then who tells? These are all these the secrets being told in the Nadi. So same thing we are reproducing it. The quote I am giving, I am not hiding. Many people hide in hesitating telling my name and Guruji's name. I am not bothered. But I tell. Meena to Nadi system, how it has come, I am telling. The origin is Meena. The Meena is Guruji. Meena 1 and 2. Guruji 1 and Gopal Krishna Rao. from their Dhruva Nadi. They said they've taken some point from Dhruva Nadi, from their Sugarpur Nadi. The three mixed is Meenadu Nadi. I'm not telling Meena Nadi discovered by Guruji Raghavacharya. I'm still telling. I'm still telling Gopal Krishna Rao's name also. Not necessary, but still I'm telling. Because at one time he's a friend of Guruji. They both worked for Meena, for Nadi Jyotish. But why you want to know? You forget to use it, no. When the results are coming, use it. That's something great. So, what I wanted to just talk about and tell, there are many secrets and Jiva Sarira. Jiva and Sarira. What is that you know about it? Jiva and Sarira. Jiva and Sarira, the concept of Meena to Nadi system. Planet posited in house may not deliver result, Star Lord will deliver result. Planet posited in a house may not deliver result, Star Lord will deliver result. Right? This is with that, so far we are learn to learn, till you come into Jiva Sharira. So then what is a planet posited in a house may not deliver result, Star Lord will deliver result. That Star Lord is Jiva. That is the beauty what we learn to look at. Planet posited in a house may not deliver result, Star Lord will deliver result. The sun is posited in today is in Vruchiga. Vruchiga. It is in the nakshatra of Jyeshta. Planet posited in Vruchiga may not deliver result. Now the beauty you look at it. Planet posited in Vruchiga, the sun may not deliver result. But the star lord Jyeshta, who is star lord? Mercury. Mercury will give the result. This is the first concept what we are learning so far. Then this Mercury is Jiva. The first point what so far we are learning. So far we have learned with one planet. The star lord will give the result. That is Jiva only we have learned so far without telling the name. How we have learned it. Planet posited in house may not deliver result, star lord will deliver result. Without telling the name Jiva, we have learned it. So now the Jiva. Now what? Second point. Here what we have to understand. Now, when we look at this thing, when the sun is in the star of Jyeshta, the Jyeshta Adhipati is Mercury, is called Jiva. So far we have learned. Then the Jiva, the Mercury is a planet. The Jiva is a planet. The Mercury is a planet. Now what? Second. The Mercury is in Uchi Nakshatra. Today Mercury is also in the Nakshatra of, in the Scorpio, in the Nakshatra of Sani Bhagavan. So Mercury is in the star of Anuradha Nakshatra. That Lord is Sani Bhagavan. Then this Sani Bhagavan becomes Sarira. So the Mercury, the sun, Jyeshta, Mercury is called first dispositor. First dispositor. I am giving so deep secrets in Meena to Nadi system. Nowhere they have given how the dispositor has come. How the dispositor has come. How I am explaining to you. Jiva and Sharira is called double dispositor theory. Decoction, filtered, beautiful, thickest decoction, what we talk about it, where your coffee will be enjoying, you will be enjoying the coffee. Similarly, you will enjoy the results of Jiva and Sharira. So when you talk about the sun is in the star of Jyeshta Nakshatra, the Jyeshta Nakshatra Adhipati is the Mercury. That Mercury, the first dispositor, what we take it, then that is called Jiva. Then the Jiva planet is in the star of Anuradha, Mercury, is a Sarira. So this is called first stage. Planet posited in a house may not deliver result. Then star lord will deliver result is Jiva.